Hi guys and welcome. Today we are making a bottle cozy, I guess you would call it, out of a dish drying mat from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to give you the measurements. The bottle fits right down in there. Um, yeah, so let's do this today. So um, somebody in my comments gave me this idea and I thought I would check it out. So I've got this dish drying mat and it's 12. Let me get my it's 12 this way by 7. So I cut it 12 by 7. Now, with these dish drying mats, you can get 2 out of this. Yeah, 12 by 7. So, yeah, you can get 2 out of this. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to sew this up. Let's do it. All right. So I'm going to sew it this way first. I'm going to have this as the top, the serged edge. I'm going to leave at the top. And I am going to, excuse me, guys, I'm not sick. My allergies are a horrendous mess. I'm going to go ahead and sew down this edge. I guess we could cut that serged edge off if we wanted to. How about we go ahead and do that? Let's go over here. And the reason that I want to do that is I'm going to I'm going to do a French seam. So there we go. And I have been warned. A nice lady who was concerned about me did tell me that she cut herself pretty bad by not closing those rotary cutters. So I'm going to try to remember to do that. Okay, so now we've cut this off. I'm going to make sure this is even. It looks relatively even, but yeah, it is. All right, I have a friend who likes to use these. She has a crocheted one, but I thought, this would be a really great idea. So I am lining up the edge of my foot with the edge of my zipper foot, or the edge of my zipper foot with the edge of the, with the edge of the dish drying mat. Okay. What's really great about this is it's cheap. You can make 2. You can use them. You can, you do different colors. I'm going to do a back stitch, and we're just going to keep on moving. I hope everybody's good today. I hope everybody's well. I'm really happy that you're here. I am really stretching my imagination to come up with cool stuff to do with these dish drying mats. What I'm working on next is a dog coat. So we're going to see how that'll turn out. Okay, so a dog coat, yes. And we're going to try that. So we'll see how that works out in another video. But today I really wanted this. I mean, it's summertime. You want something that's inexpensive and fun to make and a great gift if you so choose. Okay, now I'm going to turn this way. And I'm going to do a French seam on this because I don't want anything exposed. Okay, doesn't seem to want to move. There we go. I should probably have my walking foot on. It's a little thick, but... And the fun thing is, like I said, you can make these out of any dish drying mat. We're going to box the bottom of this. And we are, when you, so we're going to backstitch at the beginning and the end. We want to make sure that this stays nice and tight together. Okay, so this is the outside or the inside. It's going to be the inside. So we're going to box this 1 inch boxing on each side. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to put this seam here in the middle. And I'm taking this and I'm going to do 1 inch and 1 inch. Okay, and then we're going to cut that out. And we're doing that on both sides. Okay, see that? Now you can use your boxy tool. My boxy tool, the one I got, only does 1.5 inches. So we're just going to go with that. All right, we're going to go with 1 inch. We're just using the... I'm going to cut some of that off there. These aren't my best scissors. Where's my good scissors? Here we go. These are better. Ooh, hello. There we go. And we're just cutting out that area we boxed. Now, you can feel free to put handles on these if you really wanted to. Well, why don't I have any good scissors today? I'm not going to put any handles on it. I just want it to set my bottle down in and carry it with me when I go to groom my dogs. I want to be able to take it and keep it insulated. All right. Well, I thought these were my better scissors, but apparently I am wrong today, friends. There we go. All right. So we've cut that out. We're going to sew across the bottom, and then we're going to box the bottom. Let's go. If things get too crazy, I might have to get out my walking foot. So I don't know if it'll go over this hump here. Back stitch. Sometimes I feel like I'm speeding. I'm going to take my time, go over that hump. All right. Looks like it's going to do it. Back stitch. All right. So now we have the bottom done. Clipping off any extra threads that we may have. This is a really simple and easy project. Just about anybody could do this if they really wanted to. Okay, so here we have that. We're going to pull this apart and we're going to line that up and we're going to go ahead and sew right across there. Okay, let's do that. Back stitch and there we go. All right, back stitch again. Perfect. Now you can make these any size. You can make them for cans, just like a can koozie, but I wanted something for a water bottle. So that's why I'm making this today. Okay, you're lining that up. And here, I'm just lining the edge of my foot up with the edge of my fabric or my dish drying mat. I am doing a stitch length number 2. This is just Coats and Clark thread, a 9014 needle. Pretty much that's it. Taking our time over that thick part right there. And there we go. All right, so clipping this off. And so here we have it. It's inside out. We're going to go ahead and just turn it right side out. Let's go that way. And then we're going to push the corners out. And there you have it. You could make it taller if you want, because the first one I made a little bit taller. And it's not normally like me to make one before I do it on video. Normally I make it all of my firsts on video, but yep, here you go. And then you have this one. And again, you can make them whatever size you want. And the great part is if you lose them, you paid, what, 75 cents to make it. Yeah, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this little project, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. And if you haven't, like and subscribe. I am doing a live stream this Wednesday night. I'm going to share with you some things, again, that I thrifted. I'm going to share with you some paper crafting that I'm doing. And yeah, so that's that. And I hope to see you there. Okay? Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thanks, guys.